Here we have crypto.com, symbol CRO, and what do we have here? We have continuation. So we got the bullish engulfing closure that we were looking for yesterday. Of course, it's been one of the strongest names in cryptocurrency land for a while now, and we've been following up on this one for the time being. And would I be looking for this one to continue onwards and forwards here after a bit of a short-term pullback based off of that about 55 to 60 cent target that we had from yesterday? Yes, I would, but short-term pullback is not the same thing as higher term time frame reversal, and perhaps you could even argue that we've already even gotten the pullback right here, as you see several kind of ebbs and flows on this one. Are we building up any divergences right now? Even on the hourly, not really. 4 hours, obviously not going to have it as well. So while I am led to believe that this one very likely does continue on the higher term timeframes, short term timeframes might have an ebb and a flow. I would look at 50 cent to be a bit of a base right here. So I'll actually mark that off. Or what we can do now is we can just move this one up so that we can represent that right there. Beautiful. And as long as that closure is maintained, I am looking for, again, trend continuation along volatility expansion. And momentum oscillators are still showing, some upside momentum right here. I really like that daily jewel for one more drive, and still targets to the upside on the more medium term time frames was going to be in the deep 60s to maybe even 70 cents, and I would be looking for a greater consolidation around there. Still though, long term, great chart, great chart right here. Just I would be looking for a bit of a pullback from that region and consolidate, and maybe the party's over for a bit before potential continuation maybe into end of year. This is one of the best charts that we've seen over the past week or two here, and I suspect that it very likely begets more of that. Anyways, I just briefly want to check it over here just to see if maybe anything's really to screen with that. Nope, daily stocks are up and erect as long as above 46.38. 12 hour is also erect and freshly erect above 51. And if we go over here to even the 4 hour, let's see what we got. Also erect as fuck above 45 cents. So yeah, I'd be looking for this one to have at least one more extension to the upside, probably reach for one of those more crazier targets and then consolidate a bit lower over the next, week or two, and then come back to it after that. Hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for crypto.com. So